In this video, I will show you how to apply for Walmart jobs online. To do this, just open up a browser and search for Walmart careers. Then go and click on this link right here, which right here is the first one, so Walmart careers. And then it will take you to the job application site. Now from here, in order to search for jobs, to a career area that you want to go into. You can also set it to all of them. Then you can search for a job title or keyword and set the location that you want to have the job in. I'll just leave it all blank and click search. And then from there you will find a bunch of available jobs. So you can sort by either best match or the date that it has been available since. And you can also set the employment type, such as full-time, part-time, etc. You can set the rate, so either a salary or hourly. And then you can select the brands, either Walmart or Sam's Club. Now, for example, I'll just go with one of these, so stocking and unloading. Then you can go and click on it. And then from here, go and click on apply. Then it will redirect you to the application itself. Then they have a disclaimer. If you agree, just go and click on I agree and continue. And then from here, if you are a new candidate, click on search for jobs. If you're returning, click login with your email. I'm new, so I'll click search for jobs. Then just set your location and you will need to create an account with them. But from there, you can then go and apply for whichever job is available. So that's how to apply for a Walmart job online. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.